Congratulations dito sa Diamond Gala ng Kumu. So first, introduce yourself. Yeah.
Hi po, my name is Carmela.
And of course, the PGT. Ano. So kamusta being a part itong first, di ba, Diamond Gala ng Kumu?
Last year kasi they celebrated their anniversary concert. So we both went together also. But this time, yeah, it's nice to dress up na kasi we don't do it often. And Kumu is really special to us kasi that's where we live. So,
What do you do in Kumu?
I stream. Before I was also an employee, but when I resigned, I also kept in touch with them. So now I still help out sa mga ganaps.
Siyempre, as usual, singing, and serenade yung aking mga group.
So how long you've been in Kumu?
More than a year na. Lampas 1 year na.
Going to
At balita ko marami daw yumayaman, kumikita sa Kumu. So ano na yung nagawa ng Kumu sa inyong dalawa?
As a couple, we were able to acquire our first property. Fully paid.
Fully paid. Parang iPhone. Ano fully paid? Parang
Fully paid. And
sabi nga may nagkabahay na daw, may nagkakotse na, di ba?
yeah, so the car.
Isa kami doon.
And I guess in the long run yung sustainability, like our everyday lives, most of it talaga.
Isa nga daw sa nagkakaroon love life eh. Hindi ba kayo dito nagkakilala? Wow! So, pakikwento naman yung story.
Okay, so before, I was a staff kasi and she was one of the talents under me. I handled the creators inside Kumu. So, I was already a big fan of Keikal even before she went to Kumu. So, doon na siya, every stream niya kailangan present ako. At kakaiba nga naman pagka nangharana na. Oo, gifter ako. Guys, check yung profile niya. Top gifter ako. Top
Talaga?
Yes. Tapos yun, na-develop na kami kasi talagang in Kumu, you get to know people, viewers, co-streamers on a deeper level kasi ibang bonding talaga.
How long you've been together? Ilan?
18 months.
Wow! So sabi naman nila na you are an out couple, di ba? So ano lang yung maipapayo nyo dun sa mga ibang mga partner or couple na you have same thing with you, di ba? The LGBT. Yung mga takot pang mag-out, di ba? Parang, di ba?
Well, no pressure kasi hindi naman talaga ganun kadali mag-out. So, pag hindi nila lagi sinasabi, whenever you're ready na mag-out, saka na kayo. Nasa timing lang din.
At your own pace, especially now, ang ingay na paligid, social media, so the pressure is real talaga. But you just have to find the right people na yung una makakaintindi sa'yo until you become comfortable. And for us, Kumu is a big factor kasi it's really inclusive. There are a lot of mga pride streams also, so we feel like our community is really welcome.
So you're one of the example of good couple na nag-meet sa isang Kumu app and then nagkaroon ng sariling life at maraming investment through Kumu. Pero ano pang expect namin sa inyo doon sa mga susunod pang taon ng Kumu?
Actually, very hard to answer that question kasi ako 3 years na ako sa Kumu. So it's very hard na, syempre, yung mga tao may kailangan lagi kang may bagong factor na
content.
So siguro expectation is for us to level up pa din para syempre parang pioneers na din kami sa Kumu in a sense. Ilang taon na nga kami doon. So we're gonna continue giving our best. Ako to entertain through hosting, siya naman through singing para ma-retain namin yung mga viewers.
Pero nagkakasama ba kayo sa Kumu? Nagkakaroon kayo ng collaboration?
Nag-star. Ginest ko siya.
At na ngayon hindi nag-guest sa puso, talagang real. Ikaw, na-miss ka ng fans mo eh, di ba? Talaga bang on Kumu ka na lang? Hindi ka na makikita on mainstream, on TV, or concert, something like that?
Single ko. Nakarelease ko lang. May plano naman ako na show ulit. Pero
nagulat nga ako nung nakita kita for a long time, di ba?
Kasi after pandemic talaga parang nanibago yung katawan mo lahat. So parang hindi na rin ako sanay mag-show. Paminsan-minsan na lang ganun. Pero yung like yung mga gigs talaga, parang nakakabahay pa ako.
Andyan naman ang support mo, di ba?
Mas kinakabahan niya siya
Pag nandyan
So
ka.
pag kumakanta siya sa stream, okay lang. Pero pag sa show, hindi ko siya napapanood ng live.
So yun, you wanna first invite them first to be part ng inyong Kumu streams first, yeah.
Hello po sa lahat ng nanonood. Inviting you to catch our streams on Kumu. You guys can follow me. My username is @carmela08 and you can expect a lot of volleyball streams. So I do interview the volleyball athletes at kung sino-sino pang personality. So gusto niya na masayang chikahan na may chismis. So ayan.
May chismis din, ha?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ako naman si Gal. Ang username ko ay K_Gal. Kung gusto magka-jowa, gusto magkapahanap, doon kayo.
Nagbibigay ka rin ba ng advice?
Ay, hindi lang.
Binibigyan niya.
Matchmaker ako.
Wow!
Libre ka na ba? Serenade.
Wow! And of course, congratulate Kumu for the 5th year. Yes.
Congratulations.
Happy 5th anniversary and more years to come.
Thank you. Congratulations.